It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 25th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Another glorious day ahead. Plenty of sunshine out there, but despite that, temperatures around 10 degrees below average. A gradual warming trend takes place for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend, but overall temperatures will still remain pretty close to late October normals. Then going into next week, everything looks pretty good for Halloween and the trick-or-treaters, but shortly thereafter, a pattern change does look like it's on the horizon. Maybe a return to some rain chances here, but that's way out there in the extended. So, a lot going on, and let's talk about it. First, we'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. You talk about a perfect late October day. Felt like fall out there. 73 degrees, the afternoon high. Beautiful. The morning low, 57. A nice crisp start. The normal high is still at 86 degrees, and the normal low is 62. So, yeah, below those normals. And outside now, here after 8 o'clock, we've got sunny sky across the area. 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 26. And it's still pretty dry out there. Humidity at 33%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. All right, the upper air weather pattern across the nation right now features kind of a zonal flow here across the southwest, that system that brought the cooler temperatures in here. Now it is a negative tilt short wave moving toward the southeast U.S., and that's going to create some showers, thunderstorms, some strong storms out ahead of that feature again today. The watch warning map, still some freeze warnings scattered about the southwest. Look at all those wind advisories across the southern plains and into the deep south. The convective outlook for today, we've got the standard slight risk of severe storms around Jackson, Columbus, Mississippi, Tupelo, over toward Huntsville, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And in that standard slight risk area, there could even be some isolated tornadoes as a line of thunderstorms is expected to swing through there this afternoon and this evening. All right, no thunderstorms around here, at least not for the next 7 days. Here's the precipitation outlook. Absolutely nothing here in the valley and statewide or even region-wide, really, as things will be tranquil. But just beyond this period, things start to turn a little bit more interesting. We'll talk about that and everything else right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid 2 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing continues to the north of Arizona, a short wave swinging around the base of that into the southeast U.S. going negative tilt, and that's going to be the focus for showers and storms there. But for us, just another beautiful day at the surface. Look at this. Sunny sky, high temperatures, should be in the mid, maybe upper 70s in the warmest desert spots. Here in Phoenix, we're going with an official high of 77. Most of the valley should be between about 73 to 77, so about 9 degrees below average if that works out. Tonight, clear, another cool night. Overnight lows should be in the 40s in the cooler pockets. Low to mid 50s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, sunny, just a bit warmer, highs close to 80. And we're likely in the upper 70s to low 80s as we go to Thursday and Friday. There could be a few passing clouds from time to time. A weather system will pass by the area on Thursday, and that's not going to do much but knock temperatures down a degree or two perhaps. Going into the weekend, gorgeous. Highs low, maybe mid 80s for Saturday and Sunday. Typical late October stuff. Dry conditions, pleasant overnight lows. But here we go to Halloween. This is Monday, and the weather pattern starts to change. A broader trough now begins to emerge over the Pacific Northwest. Around here, we are still generally dry, though, and maybe just a few clouds coming in by late in the day, and high temperatures still likely in the low 80s. So the trick-or-treaters, probably temperatures low 70s, maybe mid 70s at the time you head out there for trick-or-treating. So it looks still pretty nice. But then a week from today, here's Tuesday, the 1st of November. Deep trough here now on the west coast, and a short wave swinging around that into the southwest. And if that happens to verify, and that's a big if, that could bring some showers in here by next Tuesday or so. And then going out 10 days, wow, here is Thursday, the 3rd of November, a deep upper low off the California and Baja coast. And again, if that's right, showers, thunderstorms, heavy rain for Southern California, some high elevation snow, and some of that moisture might start to work its way eastward toward Arizona by that time too. So the middle part of next week could, if we take this at face value, be unsettled. And some of our model trends are heading that way, but by no means are we ready to lock that in just yet. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this is coming off of the European Ensemble, and this goes out there through the 8th of November. And look at that. Yeah, some of the members are starting to key in on the idea of precipitation in here. The ensemble mean is coming up. The control member way up there over an inch. And, I don't think that's going to happen just yet. But another round of unsettled weather does appear to be headed our way as we head toward next week. And that's by the way, that's the GFS ensemble. That's my bad there. All right, looking at, I knew I was missing something there. All right, now looking at temperatures off of the national blend of models. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Highs 70s, low 80s, maybe mid 80s on a couple of days. Overnight lows in the 50s to around 60. And that's the mid-city. Many of us down in the 40s and low 50s. Just perfect fall weather. Doesn't get any better than that. All right, looking at all of you guys. I thank you so much for watching and all of your continued support. It has just been incredible. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you enjoy these videos, then do be sure to like, subscribe, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions, and you can participate in our live chat. We do these videos live every morning. So every time I screw up, every time I say something wrong, every time that there would have normally been an outtake where I yelled an expletive and then started to re-record that segment, you now get to hear that live. And who knows, maybe I'll just start cursing randomly as well. So that's why we do these videos. Speaking of, the executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona Weather Discussion is the one and only Asian sensation. She is my love for life, Michelle. And thank you again for watching. Please be safe out there. Have yourselves an absolutely beautiful rest of your Tuesday.